Okay.
How's it go?
Mount McKinley. You're missing Mount McKinley.
Through the clouds.
Oh.
Guys.
You know, it still picks up sound.
Rail.
No, Logan.
Oh, guardrail.
No, Logan, get on the other side.
Why?
Both of you. No, get on. Fucking bug.
You guys are nuts. You're nuts, Teresa Billadu, Kenny.
That's gorgeous.
That's a sweet mountain.
We're kind of far from it, though.
I know, but it's awesome. Only 40 miles. So,
No.
not that far.
How come none of my family will answer my calls?
Nobody likes it. Woo! Teresa.
She did it right for the camera that time. I love my North Carolina family.
What happens when we spend a lot of time together?
We've only been together for like not even 24 hours yet.
Yeah, well, it's been a long 24 hours.
What did we do today already? That was kind of dumb. A group dumb.
Whitney.
Oh yeah, that was good.